This video is going to be about in the live capture tab, the probe location tool. Now the probe location tool is basically just showing you where the probe is at in reference to the CAD model of the coordinate system. And if you select points, it'll actually create a deviation from that reference object. So in order to do so, you can come over to Live Align, and if you have a CAD model, you can select Datum Alignment. Now with Datum Alignment, you can click on the different locations and hit OK. And then now it'll direct you to create an alignment between the two. So I'm going to go ahead and create that alignment to the CAD model.
Planar face. Planar face. All geometries measured.
Now if I back out and I just get out of Live Inspect and I just go to Probe Location. Now when you're in Play Live Inspect, it actually automatically goes to this after you create your alignment as a check. So it's almost like quality control. You put the probe at 0 and see, is it really near 0, to make sure that you aligned it and probed everything in the right order. And then you can scrub the part. You can put the probe across the part and see what the deviation is dynamically and make sure that you're within tolerance or out of tolerance. Now if you click a point, you can collect all kinds of different deviation locations there. And those are basically like 3D comparison points between the two different objects. So what you're seeing is just at that location, it's 0.00744, and yellow is positive. So the part is higher than the CAD model in that area, right? And you even have little whiskers to show that. So that is probe location. The two main purposes people use it for are obviously to capture deviations like this, or just check your alignment and make sure that is effective.